So this is the Flexispot bamboo tabletop 140 x 70 centimeters. I want to emphasize that the table itself, the frame, is not part of the table. It's not part of Flexispot. That's a different maker. I'd like to show you how this thing looks like in the front. In the top, you have these lines from the bamboo. Then here, when you look from the front, you have these parts. In case you want to have a measure, this is about how it looks, maybe like this. Here's another measure. Here's a measure for the top plate. Now when you look at this from the side, you will not have these contours here, but instead you will have a plain ending here. The whole thing feels very smooth. I don't have any troubles so far. It's new, so I can't really say so much. I didn't test yet if the mouse is working without any mouse pad. This is the bottom of the tabletop. In the front, let's say in the front right corner, we have 3 parts for screws. And in the bottom, we have 3 screws on the right. We have 6 holes for screws on the bottom. And on the other side is exactly the same layout. Feels pretty good, feels pretty solid. It has, according to Flexispot, I didn't test it, it has 12 kilograms weight. 12 to 14, I'm not sure anymore. Looks pretty good, but it looks pretty solid. I would like it to be a little bit more cheaper, but a little side quest. Why did I buy a bamboo tabletop? Reason is that I think wood is highly overrated. Grows very, very slowly, while bamboo is growing very rapidly and is, I guess, the resource of the future in terms of everything that's made of wood. And why did I buy this specific tabletop? The reason is that I really enjoy when I walk towards my desk. I really enjoy that I can see the bamboo parts over here. There was actually another maker that was actually even cheaper than this one from Flexispot, but this maker had only 1 layer of bamboo, and the layers would be like this. So you would not see this part here from the front, but instead would see that part from the side, which I mostly not see when I'm in front of my desk.